How to build a strong online presence with SEO. Hey everyone, it's Kherk Roldan here. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to grow your brand online. SEO, or search engine optimization. If you're feeling overwhelmed by SEO or don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through practical steps to build a strong online presence that can boost your visibility and credibility. Stick with me guys, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to make your online presence to the next level. First, let's talk about why SEO matters. When I started my digital marketing journey, I realized quickly that having a website wasn't enough. If people can't find you on Google, you're missed out on a huge audience. In fact, did you know that 75% of people never scroll past the first page of search results? SEO isn't just about traffic, it's about helping the right people find you at the right time. The first step to building a strong online presence is understanding what your audience is searching for. This is where keyword research comes in. I always use tools like Ahrefs and Google Keyword Planner to find out the right keywords for my content. Actionable steps: make a list of core topics related to your business. Use those tools to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords. Look for keywords with a good balance between search volume and competition. Focus on where you can stand out. Next, let's optimize your content. On-page SEO is all about making sure your website is easily understandable by search engines. This includes using your keyword strategically in your titles, headers, and throughout the content. Here's the quick tips. Create clear, compelling title tags under 60 characters. Write engaging meta description and optimize your headers. Content is king in the world of SEO. I always focus on creating high-quality content that addresses my audience needs and answer their questions. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or even case studies. One of my favorite projects involved creating a series of in-depth blog posts that not only rank well, but also establish authority in our niche. It's all about providing value. Aim for comprehensive content that keeps users engaged and encourages them to share, because Google loves content that provides a great user experience. Finally, always track your progress. I regularly use tools like Google Planner and Search Console to monitor which strategies are working and where I can improve. SEO is an ongoing process. What worked last year might not work today. Stay adaptable and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop your question in the comment box below and I'd love to answer and help you. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep optimizing and stay visible. See you on my next videos.